Hey guys, it's Olivia, and today we're at Prairie. Let's go check out the Makesmith workshop and Create and Connect. We're here at the Makesmith workshop, and this month's theme is woodworking. Who do we have here?
My name's Parker.
My name's Oliver.
And what are you guys doing?
We are taking out screws with a wrench.
Yeah, and I'm taking out bolts and screws with a ratchet or a wrench. So he's doing a wrench and I'm doing a ratchet.
I see that we all have to wear safety goggles. Why do we wear safety goggles when we're woodworking?
Because so that no other bolts or sawdust or anything gets in our eyes.
We're over here in Create and Connect, and it looks like we're making something. What are we making?
I'm making an airplane that I like to call a box airplane.
Oh, that's really cool. Are you doing the same thing?
Yes.
What are the paper airplanes made out of?
We use straws and rubber bands and paper.
We're here with Jordy, and he's going to explain to us what this contraption is.
So this is actually our table that explains how wind turbines work. So what we have is we have a big fan down here, and we have magnetic turbine blades. So all of the blades have slightly different shapes, and the idea is that you go through and you build your own turbine and then tweak it to try to determine how many revolutions per minute you can get. And then what you can tell is down here we have revolutions per minute in watts. So then we determine how many watts are created for every revolution. It's completely about wind energy. So we start by talking about our windmill. Windmills usually do a mechanical type of process. And so we talk about windmills and how that works, but then we talk about how we use turbines now to actually create real electricity that can sustain the environment.
Thank you guys for joining me on this adventure where we learned how to woodwork, and we learned about the power of energy and how to make paper airplanes. See you guys next time.